Hi guys. I wanted to address a question that I get sometimes about how to identify your natural level or how to determine which kit I should order according to my level of lightness or darkness and also my percentage of gray. So on the website, you'll notice that it recommends going to the base of your neck to identify your natural level. This is great, but in case you're not in a well-lit room like I'm in right now, it's sometimes a little bit hard to see. So I wanted to give you a little trick that we used to use in the salon. So if you will take, I'm using my tail comb, but if you take a little sliver of hair like so, thin enough where you can almost see through it, and then put down a white piece of paper underneath, and then just the juxtaposition of your hair and the white piece of paper can sometimes make it a little easier to see the difference and help to see, are you a level 4 or are you a level 2? And also, if you're right on the cusp or of a level 2 and 3, I suggest ordering the darker kit because you're probably going to get better consistent gray coverage that way. And also, by being able to see the difference of your hair over the white piece of paper, you're able to see really what percentage of gray you have. So, 100% gray is white hair, and then, anywhere in between is going to give you that variation. So when you're on the website and you can see the difference, you'll see that if you have less than 50% gray hair, you can order the regular Restore kit. But one thing I'll mention about that though is if you know your hair is non-porous, or if you know it's coarse, or if maybe a stylist in the past has said, gee, your hair is, your grays are really resistant, then I'd go ahead and order the Restore Plus. I order the regular Restore in brown, and I don't do mine as often. One, I don't think my hair grows very quickly. And another thing is I only have about, 25, 30% gray. So I think it varies how often you need to do your treatment. But I wanted to also mention that a lot of times we're darker than we realize. When we think back to our original color we had as children, well, that's not quite accurate for the present day. Our hair actually gets darker as we age. So the eumelanin increases over time and actually gets its darkest and its ashiest right before it turns gray. So when you're looking at your natural level, make sure you're looking here at the roots, not down here at, maybe what's been colored or highlighted. And that's another thing. Sometimes we've been coloring our hair for so long or getting highlights that we sometimes just forget how dark we actually are. So I thought that was important to mention as well. So if you have any questions about which kit to order, feel free to reach out, but hopefully those tips helped. Thanks.